workshop has been really given lot of insights in terms of bridging the gap between gender and finance. I think there are ways and means as to how this finance gap, because when we see the economic system in India, see there are 63 million MSME units in India, and out of that 20% are women-owned businesses. Okay, out of these 20%, 95% businesses are small and micro businesses, and these micro businesses, 90% of the women do not have access to finance. Okay, only 10% have access to finance. How to bridge this gap? How we have to move capital from the financial sources to these women who are deprived of capital? I think that is one important thing. Who are the investors? What are the questions we need to ask to the investors? What are the influencing factors we need to make to the investors? And what is that important thing we need to highlight to the investors, that yes, I am investing in a social change, I am investing in a cause where these women are able to get credit, and with that their economic improvement will happen, their societal participation will improve, and also they are able to have decision making power in their family and the community and society at large. Pointers which are given as to, one, about the investor lens on the gender, how this, and how you need to build a narrative for a social change to bring the investment, because money comes where they feel that yes, we are making our very good investment. How you think that it's a good investment? If your story is good, if your narrative is good, if your outcome what you are proposing is good, no? At that point of time investors come. In that way, the toolkit provided in the workshop has been really useful, and that will be useful in our regular work also. Only 21% of the Indian women are able to have financial literacy. It is only the 21%, and only 10% have the capacity to borrow credit, and there is a credit gap of more than $1.7 trillion in the emerging economies. All these factors bring to the fore that there is a wide gap, there is a yawning gap between gender and finance. Therefore, see, this gap has to be bridged. In order to bridge that gap, what are the learnings of the workshop and discussions from the workshop, what we see now, how we have to move capital towards this aspect. That is one of the important things which we carry from here.